Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about quality dimension in quality engineering subject. For example, if we need to know how to execute a quality product, qualified product or certified product, we need to know what are the dimension to be estimated, what are the process has to be carried out by using the quality dimension. Um, Quality dimensions such that we can able to possess reliability, product reliability, serviceability, durability, aesthetics, accepted quality. So these are the varieties of dimension which is available for quality dimension in quality engineering. And these are the topics which we are going to discuss about in this lecture. Where for example, the quality will be high and the quality will be low. In a comparative chart, we can to understand that the product quality will define the management process clarity, and the product quality can able to know that the excellence of the company, how the management possess the product quality in a easy manner. So this is how the quality plays a vital role for producing a product with the customer satisfaction. This is the topic which we are going to discuss now. First one will be quality definition, second one will be quality dimensions. For confirmation of quality, we need to check the consistency of the product and the quality in everything we do, continuous improvement, meeting our customers' requirement, doing the thing right the first time, freedom from failure. These are the confirmation quality. While talking about the quality definition or quality confirmation, the process which need to be carried out will be the consistency. For a product quality, the process should be in a consistent manner. The checking and the inspection process has to be in a consistent manner. The second will be the quality in everything which we do. We need to understand the process clearly with the clarity, and also the execution and the strategy of the quality has to be understand clearly, so we can able to do the quality in everything what we do. Second will be the continuous improvement. If the dimension and the quality of the product is getting higher and higher, which will be helps to define the product quality clarity with continuous improvement. Beyond certain limitation, we can able to attain the product quality beyond the expectation what the customer is expecting. Then the fourth one will be meeting our customer requirement. The customer will be expecting the product quality based upon the dimension, based upon the process, based upon the performance, and based upon the requirement, how it is, how the product is satisfying it. So this can be able to process these types of process, and the thing final will be the doing thing right the first time. We need to execute the process how the product will be executing for the first time. If we are doing the process at with the clarity, with the clear knowledge, the first time we which will be helpful to develop our freedom from the failure. So we cannot able to think about the failure, how the process has to be carried out. Then coming to what is quality, the quality definition, we can able to clearly identify the quality is fitness for use. The exact fitness of the product has to be carried out by using quality nature of the product. The second definition will be quality is about meeting the minimum standard required to satisfy the customer need. The minimum standards only the requirement. This is how the quality can be assured. Customer need not require the maximum capability. If it is okay for the first time, we can able to process the quality standards can be attained. The third definition will be quality is the totality of the feature and the characteristics of your product or services that bear on its ability to satisfy stated and the implied need of the customer. To attain the product quality, to attain the serviceability, to attain the ability of the product, and also the reliability, which is combined to get the product quality. These are the three definitions which we are using to define the quality in every industrial sector. Conformance, quality conformance can be determined by using several factors. First one will be the communicate specification. If the customer is asking a specification, but the production or the design team cannot able to process with the improper communication, this will leads to loss in communication. So Communication specification is a first standard. The second will be determination of needs. While the customer have given their requirement, we need to know what the customer is exactly needed. So if we need to find the needs, what the customer is expecting, then we need to determine what are the requirement has to be carried out. Third one will be the customer, from the data, from the process, from the design, from the execution, from the quality. Customer has to be satisfied at every stage of the product which we are going to be produced. This can able to process the customer conformance quality and also the consistency of the customer with the company network for the long term, for the long term of process. Then will be the organization. If these process has been carried out by a complete organization, this will be helpful to protect a product to withstand very long time. And then will be supplier, the main process where the customer's satisfaction has to be carried out by the buyer or the supplier, where the product has to be post processed or pre processed in the earliest stages. That will be helps to attain the customer conformance. This is how the quality conformance, quality definition, quality dimension has to be carried out by using the customer satisfaction and the customer feedback. Thank you.